Hey guys, NC85 back with another video. On my strip lower here, I'm going to install the trigger guard, and I'm going to show exactly how I go about doing that. This trigger guard that I'll be installing today is by Forward Control's Design. This is their winter trigger guard, so it has a little bit of an extended dip down here, and that's, I guess, if you have a gloved finger, it'll just make it easier to access the trigger. But we'll go ahead and dive into this, and I'll show you the tools that you need. So for installing this, I recommend having some roll pin punches. For the trigger guard, I'm using the 1/8, and that fits perfectly right into place of this roll pin that we're going to be installing. Additionally, this specific trigger guard also has a very small set screw. But I'm going to show the proper way of installing one of these to offer proper support for the dog ears, or at least how I have found it easy enough to do. So I have a bench block here, just made out of plastic. I'm going to install this screw first, but I went ahead and put some blue Loctite on it, and it's just going to go right into this threaded portion at the front here. Installing several of the trigger guards, like I believe Magpul has one, other companies do too, but when it comes to this screw, I have found that it is extremely sensitive, and just follow the directions. Once it says that you're supposed to go just until it gets tight, like just go until it just gets tight. You don't need to go any further than that. No need to crank down on it. It's basically just holding it in place there. Alright, for the roll pin, you can see that these two dog ears, they need to be supported. If they're not supported, you really could risk possibly breaking one of these off. So this is called a roll pin holder, and this just holds, or does a better job of holding the roll pin while you're trying to install it. Kind of goes over the top of it a little bit. Again, make sure that these dog ears are supported. You can see that once you get it far enough, it's going to be holding it in place. Still make sure you're supporting those dog ears though. Now you can use the longer roll pin punch, because you don't want, this one ends up getting too close to the dog ear, and you don't want to start smashing into it. Make sure we're even on both sides, which we are, and it's not sticking out. So the trigger guard is now installed. Pretty easy. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.